In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove devices from your Google Drive account on a computer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign out a device you don't recognize or no longer use right from your web browser. This is helpful if you've sold an old laptop, borrowed a friend's computer, or simply want to tighten your account security. Keep in mind, this process signs that device out of your Google account, which includes Google Drive, Gmail, and other Google services. It doesn't delete any of your files, it just stops that device from accessing your account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to myaccount.google.com. This is your Google account hub, where security and privacy settings live. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and sign in with the Google account connected to your Drive. Make sure it's the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. You may be asked to verify your identity, depending on your security settings. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click Security. This section is all about keeping your account safe, and it's where you'll find the devices that have access. Scroll down until you see the Your Devices section. This gives you a quick overview of where your account is currently signed in. To see everything in one place, click Manage Devices. Here, you'll find a list of phones, tablets, and computers signed into your account, along with the most recent activity. Take a moment to find the device you want to remove. If you're unsure which one it is, look at the device name, location, and last active time to help you identify it. It's normal for names to look a bit generic, especially for computers, so go by the activity details if needed. When you've found the right device, click the three-dot menu on that device. In the menu that appears, select Sign Out. A confirmation prompt will pop up to make sure you want to proceed. Click Sign Out again to confirm. That's it. Your account will be signed out on that device, and it will no longer have access to your Google Drive or other Google services under this account. If you have multiple devices you want to remove, repeat the same steps for each one. It's a good habit to check this list periodically, especially after using shared or public computers. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.